So previously we have learned the concept of selection of terms in an AP. So let's have a look at an example. The sum of three numbers in an AP is 3 and their product is -8. Find the numbers. So let's begin. So see, this question is the sum of three numbers in an AP. So let us first assume the numbers. So whenever we have to take three numbers or three terms in an AP, what do we take them as? A minus D, A and A plus D. So let the three numbers be A minus D, A and A plus D. Now let's formulate the equation. The first thing given to us is the sum of these numbers is 3. So their sum, meaning A minus D plus second number plus third number. So sum of these three numbers is given to us as 3. Now see, immediately I can cancel out D. See, minus D plus D is gone. So A, that is 3A. So 3A is equal to 3. So from here we get A is 3 divided by 3, that is A is equal to 1. So this is the advantage of choosing these terms. See, immediately D gets cancelled out, A is equal to 1. What is the next equation? Their product is -8. So their product meaning A minus D into A plus D. Their product is given to us as -8. Is this clear? Now we already have the value of A. So plug in the value of A. So what is A? A is 1. So 1 minus D into A, 1 to A plus D. 1 plus D is equal to -8. I repeat, what did I do? I just put in the value of A as 1. So 1 minus D into 1 is 1 minus D. Now 1 minus D into 1 plus D. So A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square is equal to -8. So what is 1 square? 1 square is basically 1. So bring -8 over here, take D square over there. So we get D square is equal to 1 plus 8. That is D square is equal to 9. So now let's solve this. So say D square is equal to 9. So what is the value of D? It is square root of 9. Now whenever we take square root of 9, we get two possible values. That is D is equal to plus minus 3. I repeat, whenever we take the square root, we'll get two values. Why? Plus 3 square is also 9, minus 3 square is also 9. So we have one value of A, but we have two values of D. So now let's get the three terms. Now the two values of D, plus 3 and minus 3. So first I'll write over here the heading, when D is equal to plus 3. So when D is equal to plus 3, what are the three numbers? So the three numbers are A minus D, A and A plus D. So let's plug in the values. What is A? A is basically 1. So 1 minus D, that is plus 3. That is -2. A, that is 1. A plus D, so 1 plus 3, that is 4. So see, what are the three numbers? The three numbers are -2, 1 and 4. So write down over here. This implies the three numbers are -2, 1 and 4. So -2, 1 and 4. As you can see, these three numbers are in AP. Common difference is 3, sum is 3 and multiplication is -8. Similarly, when D is equal to -3. Next, when D is equal to -3. Then what are the three numbers? So A minus D, A and A plus D. So A1 minus D, D is now -3. So we have 1 minus into minus plus 3, that is 4. A is 1, A plus D, so A plus D -3, 1 plus -3, 1 minus 3, that is -2. So now we get the three numbers as 4, 1 and -2. So this implies the three numbers are 4, 1 and -2. So if you see, basically we're getting the same numbers. The only difference is the order we get them. Here it is -2, 1 and 4. Here it is 4, 1 and -2. So this is how you solve such type of questions. So see, in such type of questions, if you don't select your three terms as this, let's just select them as A plus D, A plus 2D, you'll still get the same answer. But the difference is the calculations will be really long and complex. So to avoid those complex calculations, we use this trick over here. So let me do a recap. Whenever you have such type of questions, stick to the table. Here we have three numbers. So let the three numbers be A minus D, A and A plus D. Their sum is given to us as 3. So the moment we formulate this equation, we immediately get the value of A as 1. Next, their product is minus 8. We already know the value of A. Plug the value of A as 1 over here. Solve for D. We get two values of D, plus 3 and minus 3. So corresponding to plus 3, the numbers are minus 2, 1 and 4. Corresponding to minus 3, the numbers are 4, 1 and minus 2. And you can also verify sum is 3, product is minus 8. So this is how you solve such type of questions.